Today we are going to try this Swiss
And chocolate.
chocolate. It's an assorted Swiss chocolate. It was given by Ate Jo's channel. Thank you, Tita Jo.
Wow, so chocolate.
Yes. I'll go.
Wow.
Let's open. Open mo na, Aaron. Open. Open. Don't. Open mo na. Oh, do you need help?
Yeah, help.
Okay.
Become sisters. My sisters.
Scissor? Wag na, wag na.
Sisters.
Na, open na lang ni Mama. Come on.
Kosa.
Ayan guys, ito open na natin. Come on here. Look. 1, 2, 3!
Yeah, right.
Surprise!
Wow.
OMG! Wait lang, na ano siya? Na ano pala
Chocolate.
siya eh.
Now, me.
Wait lang, don't. Wait lang, tingnan natin yung mga flavor.
Wow,
Some
there's
bits
so
lang.
much chocolate.
Wow, looks yummy!
Wow, it's hard.
Ah, ano siya?
Wow, so chocolate.
Displays na siya. Saan ba itong mga flavor na to?
Chocolate.
Wait lang, Aaron.
Ah, yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy. Wow,
So it has, how many chocolates? Or count mo muna. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14,
15,
16,
17,
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Wag ka mag-count. Ikaw mag-count. 31,
21, 22, 23,
33.
23, 24, 25,
Ay, naku, ang dami. Basta madami siya, guys. Ilang pieces kaya ito? Tingnan natin mo na yung ano. Are you happy?
Yeah, happy.
Yeah, ito yung mga flavors niya. There's, ano yan? Yan.
Yummy.
Ano to? Hindi ko maano.
Sweet.
Ay, ano ba to?
Yummy.
Ayun yung velvety
Wow.
milk chocolate. Asan yun? This one. I think ito yun.
Chocolate. Just
Yes.
chocolate. I wanna see chocolate.
Oh, sige, try mo na yan. Yeah, just bite it. And then, there's a
Yum, yum.
milk chocolate. The heart one. Heart ba yun o triangle? A triangle one.
Yes, that's triangle.
And then the white one, it's a
Triangle.
white chocolate with almond cream filling. This one.
White
I think this
chocolate.
one. Yes.
Yeah. White chocolate.
And then there's a
Yum, yum.
delicate almond filling covered with the finest milk chocolate. This one.
Chocolate. Yeah.
Yan, dami niya. Ilan siyang ano. Tapos
Chocolate.
ito meron
Well
siyang
done. That chocolate.
ayan. Stracciatella filling covered with dark
Yummy.
chocolate and white chocolate top. Ito, this one.
White chocolate. Well
And
done.
then
White
the
chocolate.
white chocolate with creme brulee.
White chocolate.
Saan yan? This one, this one.
This
Parang
one.
yan gusto ko. Yan, I like this one. This is my favorite.
Chocolate. White.
And then there's a finest marzipan filling.
Chocolate.
This one.
This one. Yes,
And
this one.
then
This
the
one.
milk chocolate with whole hazelnut in a tender caramel and hazelnut cream filling. This one.
This one.
Ang dami niya.
Yeah,
Tapos
this
meron
one.
ding milk chocolate with hazelnut brutal filling. Ito.
Oh. Well
And
done.
then truffles milk. Yung blue. Ito siya.
On kiss Heinz.
And then
Well done.
the dark cream filling.
Okay.
This was the, where's the
Where are you?
dark, ito siya, ito.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Show to them.
On the mouth.
Eat mo na. And then the last one, the Arabia, the finest coffee. Filling in milk chocolate. Where's that? This one.
This one.
Yeah. Go, try na. Gusto ko ito, yung ano,
Yeah.
yung creme brulee.
Twinkle me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give Papa.
Papa. Papa. Please. Papa.
Yummy.
Mm.
Yum.
Yum.
Sarap niya.
Sweet.
Sweet?
I love it.
You love it? Oh my gosh.
Mm.
So, thank you, Tita Jo, for our chocolate. Say thank you.
Pickle.
Looks yummy.
Yummy. Babe, look.
Mhm.
There's white one and brown.
There's a white and
Brown.
brown chocolate. Yummy.
Mm. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Ayun siya. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Now.
8 different flavors. Ba't dito ang dami? 3, 6, 9, 12.
Nice.
Mm.
Mommy, look.
Key.
Okay na. Thank you guys for watching.
Now.
Thank you guys for watching.
Which one?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Mm-mm-mm.
That's it, guys. Bye.